Let's talk business simply. Revenue is not only strategy. It reflects what you consider normal to hold. Not what you want, but what you can sustain without internal tension. That's why some entrepreneurs hit, for example, a big month and then return to their old baseline. They blame the market, they blame the algorithm, they blame the season, and sometimes they blame the moon, okay? Okay, sometimes, yes, it can be the market, it can be the algorithm, it can be the season, okay? But often it's identity. Because a new level requires a new posture, stronger decisions capacity, different visibility, different relationship with money, different relationship with responsibility. If your identity is still calibrated around I must struggle, I must prove, I must carry everything alone, I must overwork to deserve, then expansion becomes heavy. And what feels heavy gets slowed down. There's also something many leaders experience without naming it. Urgency mode. Urgency mode isn't only lack. It's an activated nervous system. Fast decisions, but not sovereign decisions. Short-term choices, compromises, erosion. You don't scale from urgency. You scale from stability. And stability is a state. Stability is identity. That's why I'm opening the manifestation pack this week, because it's the internal foundation of expansion. It will help you to stabilize the identity that can hold more. More revenue, more decisions, more actions, more responsibility without tension. It's available this week and the link is in the description.